My one reservation with this video is that it's going to turn a lot of you into just spam bots. That you're just going to control copy, go into DM, and start pasting and getting banned or paused by Instagram because you're just spamming. You're just spamming. You didn't see in the beginning of the video in those first couple minutes when I said, see how you can bring them value. Your entire energy is predicated on what can I get out of this. I'm going to DM The Rock. I'm going to DM Warren Buffett. I'm going to DM Tyra Banks. I'm going to DM this founder. And you're not thinking about what does that person actually need right now. The key to any tactic, and this is a tactic, the key to any tactic is to provide more value to the other person, especially when they're the one with leverage. Hustling on the Instagram DM opportunity.
Assume a lot of people watching this have no idea what Instagram really is or why it's special. Tell me.
It's a very simple photo app. Here's something interesting. Any application that makes your life better is a big one. I think that Instagram will be easily one of the top 2 social networks in America and globally will be a major force. It's a beast. It is the current social network of the moment, and I just think it's an incredibly important platform, and I'm very, very bullish on it. And as somebody who day trades attention, I think it's massively important. Instagram is very, very important. I think that you should probably, starting now for an 8-month from now launch, I would be searching hashtags and I would start building relationships right now. I truly think the attention on Instagram from individuals is unbelievable. Instagram has hundreds of millions of people on it. But here's one way I promise you that you will not build your Instagram profile. By not doing anything. By sitting and having a beer with your friend and complaining that it's so hard to build your profile. Search hashtags, click them, look at the account, then see how you can bring them value, DM them, go in soft, bring value, rinse and repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5,000 times. I'm gonna give you a piece of advice that is 100%, and the only reason you won't be successful is because you're not hungry enough and you're too lazy. You ready?
Yes.
Good. I want you to go to Instagram. Are you watching me on Instagram?
Yes,
good.
I am.
I want you to stop watching me on Instagram. I want you to start this process. If you're hungry, if you want to win, you have to do 4, 5 to 7 hours a day. You ready?
Yes.
I want you to search a hashtag. I want you to go to the search up top. I want you to search grocery store, local butcher, plumber. When you search it, there'll be a hashtag. And then I want you to spend 25 minutes hitting every picture that has the hashtag plumber and see if it's the account of a plumbing company or a plumber who has a small business. And you see who this is. So this is a custom design firm, B2B commercial in Toronto. 148,000 followers, this is what they post. I want you to then click the URL that is linked to that person's account and look at their website. If they have a good website, leave him alone. If their website is shit, I want you to go back into Instagram and hit the top right corner triple buttons on that person's profile. You hit send message. You getting this, D-Rock? Doing good? Send message. And then here's the key. And send them a message and say, yo, this is me. I'm the best at small business website design. Your website is not on point. I've got a thing that's $500 up front, $25 a month, and you will crush it and you will return on that investment in 1 day, let alone 1 year, because your website will be stronger that you're linked to on Instagram and you'll convert better. And I want you to do that for 5 to 7 hours every single day, which means that you'll message between 70 and 250 people a day, and you will do a lot of business. Business development. It's one of the pillars of my success. The reason I'm good at business development is I try to bring more value to the other person first. I think about it like sawdust. If you've got downtime, why not business develop? The fact you can business develop through this thing now is insane. And if you offer something in return, 3 out of 30 people will take you up on it. He may not, but the next person might. And then you business develop, and things start happening. Let's show another one, D-Rock. The fitness hashtag. You know, only 168 million. Breaks it into top posts and most recent. So you go to a top post. All right, so here's the app, right? I click him, and he's got 546,000 people, right? I see he's a musician and he's a band, but let's say, and he's in Cairo. Let's just say, for whatever reason, I want to do product placement and I have a new shake or energy drink or hoodies, I would hit this person up. I would hit them up and say, Zap, love what you do. Would love to connect. Right? Or would love to send you my favorite wines if I was in the wine business. Or would love to make 3 to 4 videos for your Instagram account on me. Or, and that's the key, it's or and I would love to give you. If you're asking, you don't have the leverage. So anytime I'm hitting somebody up, regardless if I'm bigger or smaller than them, I'm asking. So I'm trying to give them love. Let's say you like hip hop, and let's say you love Chance the Rapper, right? So you go to Chance the Rapper, guy's got 2.9 million followers. He's getting hit up 1 million times a day. When you send him a thing, Chance, I make videos. I'll make you the best Instagram videos for free for an entire year. Your account will go to 7 million, let alone 2.9. I won't bother you. I'll just work. I'll need access at times, but you control that. Let me know. Look at my work on my Insta. Much love. That over and over and over. Gotta make sure your Instagram account is on point if you've got that. If him or one of his boys actually look at it, or somebody who's controlling the account, they need to see those videos and think they're fire. That's the key. But you go over and over. Let me show you how Manny should do it. You can literally search the Upper East Side. You can literally see everybody who's posting in the area. You know, this person ate here, so you click this person and you can literally go up here, send them a message, say, I like your Instagram account. If you'd like a free haircut, come by. What's great about that is these are individuals who already like to share their lives. So if they come, they'll give a shout out and it creates, I mean, you know, you live on word of mouth. Yeah. What's your business? It's word of mouth. This is word of mouth on steroids. Key is providing other people more value. I just don't see people doing it. And it is absolutely going down on Instagram DM. The key is, do you know how to jab, 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 right hook on Instagram DM? More example time. I want this to be a heavy example time. You should check the Giants hashtag.
Yeah.
And literally, just like a sports con, of course. But like anybody, yeah, it's gonna be that. But like anything that's here, right? Like, like if you just DM that person, be like, awesome. Yeah. They're gonna be like, holy shit. Like it will open up shit. All of a sudden, when you do that and you do awesome as the Giants punter, whether they know you or not, next thing you know, a couple months from now, they're doing a meme with you. iTunes the answer, vlogs are the answer. DMing me, D-Rock on Instagram to get your song on Daily Bees the answer. Every single rapper, every single artist should literally DM and email and message every single vlogger that has 100,000 views per video in the world and give them free music to put in their vlogs. You guys following? The work. Got it? So that's what you do. 3 of those 39 people say, yo, send me a shirt. 1 of those 3 that you send a shirt to puts it in their store. 1 really smoke show model walks in there, wears it, and away you go. This is opportunity.